Anar malä Kenyam kana diala content barwanya lingua semeka Nuer TV channel. Joban lingua semete ke request mashallah the Eastern Nuer community shol kan kuumɛ South Sudan ke national government and go the honorable Peter Gatwech kulang deja kuany ala peace envoy ke ran malka. Bana jome bana jelinkel ka dobadan en chawar game chaja gorkeje kie de kon linkeje kan kono nyam kono TV channel me jirame jidit gore jen wo jender lara me dir jenwa kan neiti ko kien ko de je kule jek ne dial kon tilenka roine gwasa me ka tadan en chalat keje bana madan lero do gwaz ban je chulinkel ko te ko mutokten ano de kon te toktene de kon ka ngach kalodien an palarun pin ka liangdien. Eastern Nuer community called for appointment of Honorable Peter Gatwech kulang as peace envoy. The Eastern Nuer community from Nasir, Ulang, Longechuk and Maiwut counties has made a strong appeal to the national government to appoint Honorable Peter Gatwech kulang as a peace envoy to the region. In a public statement, the community asked President Salva Kiir Mayardit to consider their son for the position, describing him as a man of integrity, wisdom, and experience who can unite divided communities. We respectfully request the national government to bring us a man of peace, Honorable Peter Gatwech kulang, to spread the message of peace to our community in Nasir, Ulang, Longechuk, and Maiwut, the statement said. Community elders and youth leaders say Honorable Peter Gatwech kulang has the necessary leadership skills, long-standing commitment to peace and the respect of the people. They believe his appointment would help to heal political and community division that have existed for years. According to the community, insecurity, mistrust, and the impact of the past conflict have slowed down development and unity in the region. They say only a leader with a peaceful heart and a strong record of serving the people can bring lasting change. We believe that peace is the only solution for our country. We ask the President to support our request for a peaceful leader who can work alongside you and foster unity in our community, the statement continued. The Eastern Nuer community further stressed that this call is not for political gain, but for the survival and the stability of the people. They warned that without union, reconciliation, and understanding among the counties, progress will remain difficult. They concluded by thanking the President in advance for his attention to their appeal, adding that the appointment of Honorable Peter Gatwech kulang would be widely welcome not only in the Eastern Nuer area but across the wider Upper Nile region. Jawlin kona gwasa me raj mishalat Eastern Nuer community katada na shalat kije dio je ne kono gor de kan it kon tilla gadwil gorka kan nasir ulang Longechuk kana maiwut en go taken Kiir Mayardit no de wude me mishal ka Gatwech Peter Gatwech kulang ki Honorable Peter Gatwech kulang de ja kwanya ramadan la gwan malka ko jendere community nitin kontinti goli dere kamat gwaskel ka jaw dan en chalat ke gwasme dere gwano de yen me de yen link ka do dan en chalat ke bana wokala rodien ka ta dan en chiler chibin ke nyamanen kon mo gwasme te ka jaw chalat gorjeno beje kwen ya ka do dan chalat ke. The Kwajok Football Association has officially protested the removal of Ms. Hon Gatwech's name from the list of candidates, saying false documents were used in the South Sudan Football Federation election process. On Friday, August 8, the South Sudan Football Federation Electoral Committee disqualified Hon, the only woman running for second vice president in the 2025 to 2029 election. The decision came after Hon lost her main nomination from the Kwajok Football Association. This left her with fewer nominations than the number required to stay in the race. In a letter to the South Sudan Football Federation Electoral Committee, signed by the Association Secretary Mr. Paul Mayuen, the Kwajok Football Association say they only nominated Ms. Hon Gatwech for the position of second vice president. They made it clear that they did not nominate her opponent, Ms. Venasio Amum, who is also running for the same position. Part of the letter said, "We are writing as the official representative body of the Kwajok Football Association to strongly object to the removal of our nominees, Ms. Hon Gatwech, from the list of candidates for second vice president in the upcoming South Sudan Football Federation election. The associate is now asking for the Taker to be returned to the rest and for a full investigation into the claimed document fraud to protect the fairness of the election. Jo shalat gwasame nyamanen yename jen ramkel michi participate ko der la kwer ke vice president ka South Sudan Football Federation la SSFF jen chalado charge loke charge joy ke charge disqualified and on jen chwale on taker jen charge wo ka competition moto ka kwin kware na wa wai ke je ko jen charge no document ke wa chicken per ke chikarun ko der la kwer ko jen ku compete ala Ramadan ala vice president ke kwere rewde do badan en charge o me charge lat ke je gor ke jen wo jen der la kwer do chala do jen cherun ko bala kwer ka tadan en chalat ke je re wika South Sudan na me der am to ka tadan en chalat ke jen wo cherun ko bala kwere wichin winemi ke bala kwer football ka jo me dere gwan wo di yen link ta dan charge non kaje ka kor kajen lere me bana rwache ka manana to kare which ka kaje keji wude me ramkel ki Ramadan en la kwer kaje keji ki commissioner ate ka jo mi chalat gwase me goro de ne dial de kana link ka ta dan ci korche to ko jere wichin wini mi ka kaje keji ne me jo mi ci to gan walle ka shanka wel ka pa de kron kin dangro widi jandangre widi di chala de ne chala do ci kuumɛ yuganda de ne SSPDF waken ci kan kur ci kan nyoka muto kene Kuran jikana tuka wa shikane tin kontil la South Sudanese chikan ga nyoka muku kukan ga displace ray wika kaje keji mutuok tema ala wude me ajaram dana la commissioner ray wichin winemi wajen chaje yodika ne dialan kontila neke tin cha displace take wikel muteka remote area weja mo wajen nane ka gwadran enter dor commissioner tetin ke gwadana rejitin chala dingo weja mone chana chaka displace tin kuumɛ Uganda alawo chicken kaje keji chicken jako bala dorien ne chop ke 1000 people wacha ga displace ray weje tor money waken kanji Uganda chicken mech didalong chicken ka duet kan ganetin kontila hali kata dana chalat keje wana money cherek cheje non ko chinetin wan chi urien bar ray wech ko chagu jeno gor ko ba kanak ji Uganda men kan kula ngai gwaseme muku kan nang na no ke doy kan me nyal kana kolat wa chicken doy chaling na me ti didalong ka shuna rodin shobar ter ne ri shala do me sha kan na ke cha mu ka botel jo me shalat ka kwidien na me shalat re wichin winami en wo me shitwo no de ko na ngajen wodi gwadami riktin wan tikitin to goro dong de link tin kont lat karodien ajaw de diena bana len gwasa me bana motor banje link jen kwi Uganda gat Museveni shawore weche ka juba ka chike je kana wuri shalka me kirma yadit ka do badan andong ci korche to waje ka je keji no shire me ngai kono no chike de ni South Sudan ne di shop ka waro chiken ga nak ne ka nyam ne dang baro nyoka ne ti chok bakali chiken ga binyurka ki chiken ka ambuchre kur dana chituok chala do shine to wan chigri chiken ga jikan re kore dana chituok men civilian ba chigri chiken jek so jo link kono me emla rode entame but chala do ka benere which ka juba wa chiga duol kene kirme yadit ka chiga je kene bulmel ano chikala do ba members kiene te bare aleka te bimal bukan olat ba ka dil kwany la ne chup ka baro ne chup ka welngwan ne dang baro ka South Sudan ne dang baro ka kuumɛ dung kirme yadit ka tadan en chalat keje ajanta dan elen ngwarudin keje mi jiram jidit gwa seme ka Nuer TV channel nywaga kene to ko kien ene bana nyoje kala rodien biate kamal bye bye